All Kids Academy is a Head Start program that provides quality school readiness and comprehensive services to over 1,400 children and their families throughout the East County of San Diego, California.
All Kids Academy Head Start feels so honored, and we are so appreciative to the Department of Pesticide Regulation for all of their support. Our agency's strength lies in its team approach. It's not just one person, but it's everybody who's come together and is on board. We have our maintenance custodians who are on the preventative side. It's all about prevention. They're cleaning every day. They are making sure that everything is in good repair and maintained. And they are the ones that are our first responders. Our teachers, they implement an IPM theme into their lesson plans. You can take a children's book and extend it into all areas of the curriculum. Strategy has been another agency strength. We had to take an honest look at our plan and identify the areas that we were doing well in, but also identify the areas that needed improvement. And that was where we needed to focus our efforts. Barriers was the #1 thing that we needed to improve on. So for barriers, it had to be everything from door sweeps to drain screens, sealing up gaps and making sure that everything was sealed up. The third strength that our agency has been in the community connection. Our parents are the reason we have the Healthy Schools Act. Parents are informed of their rights and of the agency IPM plan, of the individual pesticide applications, and they are provided helpful IPM tips. Parents are given a voice in pesticide product selection and in IPM policy and procedure. As a nonprofit organization, we found that IPM was doable and sustainable if we implemented a program. We had to make sure that it was going to be effective and it was going to be cost effective. And we needed to strategize, we needed to take a team approach, we needed to come together as a community and work together. What we have done, other child care programs can do as well.